Many people think keto means meat and cheese, and vegan means carbs and hunger, but neither is true. Keto and vegan can work together if you understand the structure. Today, I'll show you how to turn any baking recipe into keto vegan without guessing, without ruining texture, and without ending up with dry bricks or gummy messes. Stay until the end because I'll share a few extra tricks that make keto vegan baking fluffy, moist, and stable, even better than many regular recipes. For most of human history, baking relied on structure from gluten and eggs. In keto vegan baking, both are gone, so we rebuild structure deliberately. Let's start with flour. Almond flour is the base of keto vegan baking. 1 cup of wheat flour is replaced with 1 cup of almond flour. Almond flour absorbs less liquid and has no gluten, which means it always needs binders. Coconut flour is different. It is extremely absorbent. 1 cup of wheat flour is replaced with 1/4 cup of coconut flour. Coconut flour should only be used in small amounts and only when extra moisture is available. It works best in muffins and pancakes, not in breads. Lupin flour is optional but powerful. It is high in protein and improves structure. It reduces crumbliness and makes baked goods more bread-like. Replace 10 to 25% of almond flour. Using more than that can make recipes bitter and dry. Now comes the most important part, binders. Without gluten and eggs, binders are mandatory. Psyllium husk creates elasticity and structure. It is ideal for breads, rolls, and yeast doughs. Use 1 tablespoon of psyllium husk per 1 cup of almond flour. Xanthan gum creates a soft crumb. It is best for cakes, muffins, and cookies. Use 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon per cup of flour. Bamboo fiber absorbs excess moisture and stabilizes wet batters. Use 1 to 2 tablespoons per cup of almond flour if cakes collapse or feel too wet. Never use all binders at once. Choose 1 main binder and 1 supporting binder. Now, egg replacements. A flax egg or chia egg replaces whole eggs. 1 egg is replaced by 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed or chia seeds mixed with 3 tablespoons of water. Let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes until it thickens. Aquafaba is chickpea water and replaces egg whites. 3 tablespoons of aquafaba replace 1 whole egg. 2 tablespoons of whipped aquafaba replace 1 egg white. Aquafaba is ideal for airy cakes and muffins. Now, milk choices. For keto vegan baking, unsweetened almond milk is the safest default. It is low carb, neutral in taste, and widely available. Unsweetened soy milk can be used for extra protein and structure, especially in breads and muffins. Coconut milk works for dense cakes but makes recipes heavier. Now, fats and butter replacements. Vegan butter works if available, but it is not required. Avocado oil is neutral, stable, and perfect for baking. Olive oil works well for savory baking and breads. Coconut oil can be used, but it must be melted and cool before mixing. Now, sweeteners. Sugar provides sweetness and bulk. Keto baking must replace both. Stevia and monk fruit are my preferred sweeteners. They do not spike blood sugar and do not disrupt ketosis. Extracts are extremely concentrated, so they must be paired with enough flour and fat. I do not recommend sugar alcohols like erythritol, xylitol, or maltitol. They often cause bloating, digestive stress, and insulin reactions in sensitive people. Now, stay until the end for these 2 bonus tricks. First bonus, soy yogurt. Adding 2 to 4 tablespoons of unsweetened soy yogurt to batters increases moisture, improves crumb, and prevents dryness. It works especially well in muffins, cakes, and pancakes. Second bonus, hemp seeds. Adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds adds healthy fats, mild protein, and improves softness without drying the batter. They also help stabilize structure. Now let's convert a real recipe. A classic muffin recipe uses wheat flour, eggs, sugar, milk, and butter. To convert it, replace the wheat flour with 1½ cups of almond flour and 1/4 cup of lupin flour. Add 1 tablespoon of psyllium husk and 1/4 teaspoon of xanthan gum. Replace the eggs with 2 flax eggs. For extra lift, add 3 tablespoons of aquafaba. Replace sugar with monk fruit sweetener and stevia extract to taste. Replace milk with unsweetened almond milk, adding slowly until the batter is thick but scoopable. Replace butter with avocado oil or vegan butter in the same amount. Optionally, add 2 tablespoons of soy yogurt and 1 tablespoon of hemp seeds. Bake at 170 to 175 degrees Celsius and allow slightly longer baking time than conventional muffins. The result is moist, fluffy, stable, without eggs, without gluten, and without carbs. This is not guesswork, it is a system. Keto and vegan can work. Simple, fast, delicious. Make no more compromises. Subscribe for more keto vegan systems, baking frameworks, and real-life meal plans.